How to book multiple destinations on Expedia, step by step. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to book multiple destinations on Expedia. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below. You'll find exclusive coupon codes, discount offers, and special deals that can help you save a lot on your booking. First, open the Expedia website and select your dates. Then click on the Travelers option and select the number of travelers. Next, click on the Search option, followed by selecting a hotel, for example, one with an ocean view. After that, click on the Reserve option. Fill in the required details such as first name, last name, an email address. Scroll down and click on the Book Now option. Go to the link in the description, copy one of the Expedia coupon codes, and then paste it into the promo box. Click Apply. Before you go, don't forget to check the link in the description again for all the latest and how to book multiple destinations on Expedia before they expire. If this video helped you save money, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.